Hi guys, welcome to this channel. You're watching Alisir Offset Technician YouTube channel. Alisir Offset Technician is one of the top most technician in India. We provide skilled and experienced offset technician with very current technology all over India. We provide service and erections to all kinds of sheet feeds and offset machineries at your doorstep. In case if you want a first and second hand sheet feed machine, we'll make arrangement for that for all colors and all sizes that suits you. We provide electrical and mechanical engineers for your service through our company CMYK Engineering Works in India and all over the world. Spare parts are also available. For further inquiry, contact us on 7010276509. I repeat 7010276509. You can also contact us on WhatsApp through 93930 I repeat 93930 Doubts regarding any offset machineries or addressed through CMYK